Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. You've probably seen those mind-blowing videos generated by AI, like Sora or Veo. They can create incredibly realistic scenes from just a text prompt, but a huge question remains. Do they actually understand what they're creating? Can they reason about the world? That's exactly what this new research paper investigates. The authors wanted to know if these AI video models are ready to be zero-shot reasoners, which is a fancy way of saying they can solve visual puzzles without any specific training. To find out, they built a new benchmark, essentially a massive visual obstacle course for the AI. They tested a leading model called Veo, 3 on 12 different kinds of reasoning, from simple spatial awareness to complex physics. The idea is called chain-of-frame reasoning. Just like we think step by step, the hope was that the AI would reason frame by frame as it built the video. So how did it do? Well, the results were a fascinating mix of success and failure. On simple tasks, the AI showed promising sparks of intelligence. For instance, it could correctly identify the spatial relationship between a motorcycle and a dog. It could also handle basic physics, like showing a ball bouncing off walls with a generally plausible trajectory. But when the problems got harder, the model's understanding fell apart. In a multi-step maze, it consistently failed to follow the correct path, often getting distracted or taking impossible shortcuts. When asked to fold a 2D net into a 3D cube, it created a jumbled, impossible shape that couldn't exist in reality. And with complex mechanical physics, like interlocking gears, the AI just couldn't grasp the rules, making the gears move in physically impossible ways. The researchers found a clear pattern in these failures. The AI is incredibly good at mimicking what it's seen before and creating something that looks plausible on the surface. However, it doesn't seem to have a deep, underlying understanding of why things work the way they do. It prioritizes a visually pleasing video over a logically correct one. So, to recap the big points, are video models ready to be standalone thinkers? The short answer from this study is no, not yet. They show impressive abilities for short-term, simple visual tasks, demonstrating an emerging form of reasoning. But they lack the long-term consistency and grasp of abstract rules needed for complex problems. So, what does this mean for the future? Well, it suggests that instead of being solo reasoners, these models could act as a powerful visual engine for other AIs. Imagine an AI that could visualize a complex engineering problem, allowing another AI to analyze and solve it. The potential is still enormous, but we're just seeing the very first steps. What do you think is the most exciting application for this technology? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.